Welcome back. In this video, our second part, we are focusing on user management, access, groups and licensing control. Hey, I'm still Marvin and working for Resolution. And surprise, my job title is Technical Support Engineer at DevOps.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine. Brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
But today, I will show you some more details about Atlassian user management. First question, do you want to add a user? So keep in mind, in Jira Cloud, user management is done through your Atlassian Organization at admin.atlassian.com. So let's go to Atlassian admin settings user management to add a new user. I will switch to our demo instance and let's click this gear in the right top. And here you could select user management. You will be automatically forwarded to your Atlassian admin.atlassian.com instance, where you maybe need to select your matching site, or if you're only managing one site, it will be selected automatically. Here we have this directory where we find users. In this instance, there are already some users, but if you want to invite a user, just click this blue button with Invite Users. You would need to add the email address of the user and can already decide which type of app access the user should get. You would now, or if you would like to invite one, just enter the email address and click and decide which apps you would to select for him or her. Click Next and done. That's all to invite a new user. Now let's continue with groups. So groups are how you can assign permissions. For example, you will see often Jira administrators for admin access or Jira software users for standard Jira access. You can also create custom groups for teams. For example, in this video, we will create a group called developers and add members. Then we will use that group inside permission schemes later. Switch back to our instance and instead of users, it's still under directory, we will select groups. Just click create group, give it a name. Developers, add a description. You could already search for users, but in this step, I will just create the group first. It will take a bit, but now the group is ready and you could add a user. Now depending how many users you have already in your instance, you could just search for these users, or you could click here to select another user and now click add. Now this user is in this group. So after group creation, we will continue with application, or also called product access. This is where you control who can access your Jira software, Jira service management or Confluence, and also more. So this affects licensing cost. So keep access tight. We will give this app access only to users who need them. So to find this app access, you will open this app setting and go to Atlassian apps. Here you will find all apps or Atlassian apps for your site. We will use our JSM, Jira Service Management, and go to Manage App. And here we can see already which groups, more or less are added to this app and which kind of role in this kind app access is selected. You could click here Add Group, and we will just type have a look for our developer group, which we have created. And we could now select a role. So is it for customers or stakeholders or even a user access admin or just a user agent? Now I click add. And now, from now on, every user from your company who is part of this developer group inside this Atlassian application will get user agent access for this application Jira Service Management. In part 3, we will move into space configuration with workflows, screens, work types, and permissions. That's where Jira becomes your Jira.
This is my time.